Well, trying to get the money out,
Who was Hispanic?
and a couple of black Hispanics, and Rogers, I thought they were black. And he got out and just stood up there to get the money for me. And finally he told him, he says, you gotta have money in the bank before you can get any out.
He took numbers and receipts. He looked at it, read it, handed it to her. He was out of the car. She said, no, Jeffy. The other guy, another guy's car, he got out, he come over. He punched his numbers and just picked out the receipt. Said, hold it to her. I said, you gotta have money in there before you can get anything out. So he finally got mad and got in the car and left.
Wow.
They didn't get any money. I said, did they get any money? And he said, no, they didn't get any money.
Wow.